Hey, what's up guys? My name is Bo Barkley. I'm one of the trainers here with 6-Week Challenge. So after years of experimenting with multiple clients and ourselves, we basically came to the conclusion that high intensity interval training is the best way to disintegrate fat, to gain a ton of energy, and to really leaving the gym with a sense of accomplishment. Incorporate a group aspect to make it fun, but still leaving it almost as a team environment.
Our 6-week program is completely beginner friendly. It's not a beginner program, but it's friendly to anyone at any different level.
But still pretty intense.
If you're injured, if you're overweight, if you're just trying to get back in the gym and haven't been there for a while, this program is designed for you.
Here's what you get. 1. Before pictures, measurements, and weigh-ins, because we believe that whatever can be measured can be managed. 2. Guided group training that's intense, but anyone can do it and can be modified for anyone's personal needs. 3. We offer weekly seminars right after class that cover a wide variety of topics. It covers injury prevention, how to retrain your mindset, and also how to bulk prep foods on a crazy hectic schedule.
So we really like to focus on group activities. So something that makes you feel like you're part of a team, when at the end you guys are all high-fiving and you're becoming friends really gradually throughout this whole entire program.
Well, the friendships I made have been fabulous. Just the cheering on in the classes from the ladies. Well, the thing that I've noticed personally is clothes are fitting looser. I've actually gone down a couple sizes. So noticing the inches coming off and being excited about it, going upstairs without pain in knees because of sports injuries has been fabulous. Just overall excited.
Don't be afraid. It's literally, don't be afraid to try something that's a little bit out of your comfort zone. A lot of people who have signed up have never lifted, never run before, or it's been a really long time since they've done that. Come in and just don't worry about being underconfident or anything. The people around you are going to help you so much.
This isn't just a workout program. This is an opportunity to change your entire life. There's 3 elements to living a healthier lifestyle, we believe: fitness, nutrition, and your mindset. In the challenge, we're going to cover all 3 of these things. It's really, really important that you encompass all 3 to be successful. That's how you develop a truly healthy lifestyle. We want to give you the tools that will last you a lifetime. This isn't just 6 weeks. This is for the rest of your life.